Hello everyone. In this video I am going to teach you how to change uppercase letter into lowercase and lowercase letters into uppercase. Let's see the code. First let's see the code. Int main. Now what is this int main function? This is the function which computer reads at first. While we write the program, the computer reads first this main function. Then only it goes into next. See, this is int main function. Now I am creating a string. So I am declaring a string char a equals to welcome. This is capital W, small e, then small l, then capital C, then small o, then capital M, then small e. I am declaring this string. Now what? It creates an array. It creates an array of size 7. So 5, 6. This is the index. Now see, it's this welcome is stored as it is. Like capital letter is stored as capital and small letter is stored as small. Now see, capital W, then small e, small e. The string gets stored here. Now I declare. Now I should declare the index. So I am declaring int I. What is this int? Int is an integer. Because this index is an integer, so I am declaring int I. Now what you should do? You should start from index 0 and you should go till index 6. You should scan one by one. If it is a small letter, you should change it to capital. If it's capital, you should change it to small. So I should make a loop for traveling. So I am making here for I equals to 0, that is index equals to 0. Now a of I till a of I not equals to null, then I plus plus. What is this? It starts from index 0, it goes till it increments one by one till a of I not equals to null. A of I not equals to null means in this case it's empty, so this is null. So it travels till this and it stops over here and it reaches till the 6th index value, a of 6, till this it reaches. That's why I am writing this condition for loop. Now see, while reading this, while scanning one by one, if it is capital I should change it to small. So I am writing here the condition. If a of I, what is the ASCII code for capital letters? See, ASCII code for capital letter A is what? A is 65. Then what is the capital letter for B ASCII code? That is 66. And till what is the ASCII code for Z? Z is 90. So ASCII code for capital is 65 to 90. So I should write the condition. If it is capital, I should change it to small. That is A of I greater than or equals to 65. Greater than or equals to 65 and a of I less than or equals to 90. That is less than or equals to capital Z. That is 90. If this is the condition, I should change into small. So a of I equals to a of I plus 32. Why this 32? Let's see. This capital A starts at 65. This ASCII code is 65 for capital A. For small a, what is the ASCII code? ASCII code for small a is 97. How much is the difference between 65 and 97 and 65? It is 32. 97 minus 65 is 32. So if you add 65 plus 32, it is 97. So if you add 97, capital A becomes small a. Same like that, if you add 66 plus 32, then capital B changes to small b. So I am writing here, if it is capital, so I am making it into small letter. So a of I equals to a of I plus 2. Then I am writing the condition if it is small, I should change it to capital. So I am making condition if a of I, what is the ASCII code for small letter a? That is 97. Then for small letter Z is what? Small letter Z is 122. So it starts from 97 to 122. So I'm writing if a of I greater than or equals to 97 and a of I less than or equals to 122. This condition checks if it is small letter, then I should change into capital. So a of I equals to a of I minus 32. Why this a of I minus 32? Because 97 minus 32 is 65. Similarly 98, suppose small letter b is 98. 98 minus 32 is 66. So it changes from small letter b to capital letter B. So I am making this condition. Then this is in this loop. Now it changes. Now I should print f percentage yes, that is string, comma this char, this a is the name for this string, so I am writing a. Now this is the code for changing capital letter to small letter and small letter to capital letter. Now let's trace this code. Now see how this code works. Let's trace. Now see, now I am declaring this character string as welcome. I created an array of size 7 and I put welcome here. Now int I is 0. I is pointing towards this. I is pointing 0. Now for I equals to 0, a of I not equals to null, I plus plus. Now I is 0. It's not null. So I am entering into this loop. Now check whether it is greater than 65 and less than 90. This is capital W. W is between 65 to 90. ASCII code is between 65 to 90. So I am changing into a of I plus 32. So it becomes small w. This capital I don't remember this ASCII code, so I am directly writing this capital W changes to small w. Now the I comes. Now see I plus plus. So now I is here at 1. Now I am checking whether a of I is capital, that is 65 to 90. No, it's small. So I am checking whether a of I is greater than or equals to 97 and less than 122. It's small, so it's range between 97 to 122. So I am subtracting by 32. So this small e becomes capital E. Then this I value gets to 2. Now I am checking this is capital or small letter. This is small letter. So it enters to this condition. It's between 97 to 122. So I am changing it to minus 32. This what is the ASCII code for L? That minus 32. So it changes to capital L. Now I value is here at 3. Now this is capital or small? It's capital. So it's in this condition. Its range ASCII code is between 65 to 90. So it adds 32 to it. So it becomes small. Then I plus plus. So I is here now. I equals to 4. Now it is small letter. So it is in this condition. It's between 97 to 122. So I am changing it to minus. I am subtracting 32. So it becomes capital O. Now I values at 5. Now it's capital M. Now it will be capital M means its range is ASCII code range is between 65 to 90. So I am adding 32 to it. So it becomes small letter M. Now I value is 6. Now it's small letter, so it's in this condition. If it's between 97 to 122. Now I am subtracting 32. So it becomes capital E. Now I am again incrementing I comes here. Now a of I should not be equals to null. So it stops here. Then it does not enter into this loop. Then it prints the statement. This string, it prints the string that is a of string. So it prints w, small w, then capital L, then small c, then capital O, then small m, then capital E. This is the output. This is how you should change the uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. That's all for today and thank you. If you feel my teaching is good, then like my video, and if you have any doubts or if you want to give any suggestion, then comment on my video and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you.